Good day, everyone. I want to talk to you about the project that I've done last winter. The first project that I've done is I welded three hooks on my quarter thick steel plate. Then I welded the three reinforcement in the back, and then I welded that square fitting on the plate, and then after that I welded directly on the bucket. Alright, so the reason why I welded directly on the bucket itself, right in the center, the bucket itself is very strong. It's not gonna cave in if I have a weight on that direction or in the back. I need it for various reasons: lifting my generator, pulling things in the air, and also it directly linked to my second project is I need a hook in the front to hold the my front basket for the wood. All right. The way I pile up the wood is my wood length usually it's 16 to 18 inches long, so I can put 3 rows of wood. The rear row, the middle one, it's I could put quite a large amount because I have the side panel there. But on the front row, I put a cable all around so it's held together, especially when I'm moving it. All right. The basket itself, it's held at the top by that chain. All right. On the bottom of it, you can see those 2 screws there. I'm pointing one in there and the other one completely at the end. When those screw in, they screw behind that plate here where I just where my finger is. So it's held in good place. It never will fall down. All right. That was quite easy to build. It's 1 inches square tubing. It's about 1/8 inch thick, and so I built that all around, and then I put the reinforcement in the middle, and then I cut myself. I have a lot of chains like this, so I cut myself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and then I weld each individual link together, so it's very strong, so it's stiff. And it was a long process. It took me about 2 hours to do that. All right, and then I welded directly itself on each, like you can see, rebar. And that is my basket. I've been using it since I think I built it just before and after Christmas. I have to ask Joe about it. He's got a better memory than myself for these things. And that was my short video about the 2 projects that I've done on my little red toy. Alright, gentlemen, take care of yourself. Cheers.